Okay, so my AEM wideband sensor that I bought from iWire is no longer working. Fortunately, I contacted Whitney over there at iWire. She got me in contact with AEM and they're gonna replace this for me. But one thing I have to do first is destroy this, and I have to take pictures and send it back to them. So we're just gonna do that, nothing too big today. I'll take 2 seconds. Oh, more zip ties, great. Son of a. And then there's just one ground wire, and this thing should come right out. So you're probably asking, why do I have this, or why do I need it, or do I need this? Well, an aftermarket wideband sensor so that you can log your wideband onto your access port. Then you can send those logs straight to your tuner so that your tuner can have a more accurate reading when it comes to tuning or retuning your calibration. That's the main reason why. So there you go. Let me unplug this sensor. It goes in just about as easy. I think the hardest part was, oh, more zip ties. I think the hardest part was actually zip tying everything. But iWire's got a really cool DIY video on how to install all this stuff. There you go. This is it. Plus the sensor, which I'm gonna zip tie for now. I'm gonna go bust this thing open. Damn, this thing is pretty dang tough. Oh, that spider. 10 minutes of my time wasted. All for this shit. What do I need? So I think this is about the 5th or 6th oil change I've done on this engine, and it only has about 2,000 miles on it. I think, God, that's a lot of oil changes in 2,000 miles. I had 50-mile break-in when I got home. That was after a few hundred miles. After the dyno, that was another one. Before the track day, after the track day, this is number 5. There you go. But when it comes to oil, I am currently using Valvoline VR1. This is what my builder recommends. So if you have a built engine, I suggest that you just follow whatever your builder recommends. But in the future, we may be switching it up to MOTUL XS. This is the Gen 2 now, 5W40. Also, all you E85 bros also recommended the MOTUL Sport 5W40. But one of the main reasons why I'm changing the oil right now is to actually test the oil, send it to Blackstone or whatever oil testing company there is out there, maybe get a couple different samples, and to see exactly how this engine is doing with the oil that it is currently on. So let's get to work. I usually like to hold it at the very end of the threads and then let go. There you go, and just catch it. Then, oh shit, let me get my sample. Clean catch. Oh, God, that was messy. Oh, great. Got that sample. I want that new IAG oil pan, I'm not gonna lie. I wish that was out when I got this one, because that one has the drain plug right at the bottom. So it looks like it gets more of the old oil out. But this is good enough. Tried and true, proven. Alright, time to reset my trip meter for oil. 1620. Reset. There you go. That's how I keep track of my oil mileage. Alright, finally. Use that mask. Finally got it open. Man, there's a lot of oil in here. Look at that. This little drain back valve. Nice and rubbery. There's the filter. There's that. Still left in there. Look at this material. It's just like, I don't know, it doesn't look all that high quality to me. There's no particles or anything in there. I don't know, I just don't like how these, these cardboard ends are. I don't know, I'm not an oil filter expert by any means, but it just seems like some of this material can break off and then go into your engine. That's what it looks like inside of OEM blue Subaru filter. Not all that high quality, to be honest with you, but it works. And you know what, I'm changing my oil very frequently, every 1,500 to 2,000 miles, only because I'm on E85, so I don't know, going with a high quality, expensive filter may or may not be worth it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment down in the description below. But yep, there's your Subaru OEM oil filter that you can get for $6 to $9, depending on where you get it at. Okay guys, real talk. So here is the OEM blue Subaru filter taken apart and broken down. You guys may have seen this. For those of you guys who may not, hopefully you guys learned something today. But a lot of you guys, including myself, will say that you've never had any issues with the OEM blue Subaru filter, and will say that this is the best filter that you should buy, or you can buy, for your STI. But you know, I kind of disagree with that, but more on that later. Also, it is widely known around the Subaru community that this is identical as the Fram Tough Guard filter, and I know good and damn well that some of you guys would not be caught dead with a Fram filter stuck to your engine, but if the internals are the same as the Fram filter and is made by Fram, then, well, you know. But with that said, my preference when it comes to oil filter is the OEM JDM Roki filter, the black one that comes on these cars from the factory. Unfortunately, well, you can order these filters, you just have to pay an arm and a leg for shipping. But also known in the Subaru community for when it comes to filter superiority is the Mazda RX-8 filter, which you can get on Amazon from a Mazda dealership. Now, with that said, some of you guys may have spent $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 on a brand new engine, or maybe you just want to protect your stock engine, protect your investment. What if I told you there is a much superior filter that you can get that's only $1.50 more than the OEM Subaru filter? So there is an awesome video that was made by Mr. Subaru, I think about a year or two ago. It's a long video, but you know, he breaks down every single filter that is available for Subarus down. I'll put a link down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Also, I will be putting a link to the filter that I will be using moving forward, only because I ran out of Roki filters and I just don't want to pay a whole bunch of money for shipping, down in the description below. It's only $10. Cheap insurance, guys. What's $1.50 more? These engines are expensive, but you guys do what you guys want to do. Yeah, had to order a new Apple Watch because mine is, I don't know, it's just old, crusty, and nasty. I'm gonna give it to my little boy. What up? Thanks, Brandon. Appreciate it, bro. Wow, look what I found. Totally forgot I had this, but I just want to say big thanks to Brandon, also known as Watch This Media. You guys have probably seen his channel. Awesome cinematographer, also a photographer also, but he needs no introduction. You guys have seen his stuff before. But I went and got some prints done from our photo shoot we did about a few months ago, and check this out. Awesome quality. I need to get a frame for this and frame it up on the wall somewhere. But yeah, just look at how sharp these prints are. If you guys need prints, check out his website. I'll put a link in the description below of your guys' photographs or for whatever you guys need printed. But yeah, this is just awesome. Rain, 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 rain. Summer must be over.